Hello. So we're continuing from where we stopped. So we have created a box and we'll be looking at how to position this box. Now, like we said from the first or the previous video, this box is a little bit off from the top and also from the left. Now, sometimes you don't want this default behavior to interfere with your own measurement. So to do that, you can use the wildcard selector, which we've already discussed. We can use it to select every element on the page and make sure they are starting from the beginning of the measurement. So to do that, you give it margin of 0, padding 0, box sizing of border box. So you can see it's now starting from the edge, both from the left and from the top. Okay, so now let's look at absolute positioning. No, we're starting with fixed positioning. Okay, so let's add some text elements above our box. So we're adding a paragraph. So we're just adding some text element. Okay, so now you see the boxes below the text element. So that is how HTML elements behave. They follow the same order with which you position them. So you can see if I take the div and put it above here, it will go to the top. So let me take it and put it above it. So you can see. But sometimes we want, or most of the time, we don't want to follow the order in which they appear on the HTML file. You can change the order using positioning. You can position elements just the way you want, anywhere you want them. Okay, now we can see these boxes below this text element. Now we can use fixed positioning or any other positioning to position the box, but we're starting with fixed. So to do that, you first of all indicate this attribute position. So you give it a value. You can give a value of fixed, absolute, relative, static, but we're starting with fixed. So what does that do? It doesn't do anything. So even after specifying the position, you now need to tell it, okay, from the top go 3 pixels. So you can see it is now 3 pixels from the top. You can make it 5 pixels from the top. You can see it's now 5 pixels from the top. You can make it from the left. You can make it 20 pixels from the left. You can see that. So you can position it the way you want. Now, if there is any element on that particular position you are putting it, it will overlap. So that's how fixed positioning works. It's now 8. So let me make it 80 pixels from. You can see. So you can use this to position elements just the way you want. So let me change this to now. There's something I need to demonstrate about this fixed positioning, but I don't have enough text elements. So let me add more text elements so we can scroll on the page. So I'll show you the difference between fixed and absolute positioning. Okay. So let me add another paragraph element. Okay. So I still cannot scroll. I want to be able to scroll before I can demonstrate to you what I want to show you. That way you'll be able to see the difference between fixed positioning and absolute positioning. Okay, so now I can scroll on the page. So you can see, even though I'm scrolling, my box just stays put on its position. Okay, so that is fixed positioning. So in the next video, we are going to look at the difference between fixed and absolute position.